November 2025, Granny Bear's birthday, and I am with... Yes, Baby Bear. By the way, this is Joygang again, your Mama Bear. Thea Bear. Thea Bear. And welcome back to our channel. And yes, naanak ko yung namo karon si Granny Bear, ang birthday celebrant. Happy birthday, Granny Bear!
Thank you so much.
I'm hilak. So, muna siya, mag-ilis pa na si Granny Bear later. And, muna siya ang ato ang char. Yeah, 65. So, muna siya mga langga. And, we'll be back later para ibutang na to ang cake. And yes, magkuha na ta. See you later! Hi mga langga! Yes, so we're back again. And yes, I am with Haggard over Sosa. So, yes, mura ni siya ang kuhaan ni Mommy. What do you call that? Buffet. Buffet table. Buffet table this. Yes, and shout out to Cream nga naghimo sa mong pinaka-nice nga cake. Yes, you can also check her YouTube channel. Yes, i-insert na ako dire. So, thank you so much, Cream. So, yes, super nice kayo. So, muna siya. So, okay na. Okay na ang ako ang hindi man ko nakatoka. So, okay na. So, mabalik na may later para sa party. So, mag-prepare ako. See ya!
A few moments later.
Lord, dinawag ko siya kagante ng kapista yung Jesus panglawas. Kuban ka na mo tanan, nilaman kanya. Sa matalos yung kapista, kaya sa layo. Wala pa tayo. Sa ikitagaan ako. Masin yung mga pulis. Sara, basi ka nang mag-uap, me. Wala pa. Manang mag-introduce. Ano po may video po ka?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Last one! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! How old are you? I'm 57! Sexy kay ko. And yes, nangauna sila. And ako nang gipalingkod si Granny Bear kay ato nang i-play ang atong gihimong surprise video para niya. So, ato na siyang i-play. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mamila. Happy birthday, God. Happy birthday, me. We wish you more birthdays to come. Good health and pag-ibig para peace. And we love you. We love you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. We love you, Mamila.
Happy birthday! Happy 65th birthday! Hope you have a good day and can't wait to meet you in person. It would be great.
Ang pinuntanan. Can you tell them?
I'll keep it in English. Well, hope you have a good health and prosperity. You still look good. Keep it going.
Aloha.
And aloha. Ahui ho. Happy birthday again.
Love you.
Love ya.
Love you, Mamila.
Mom Joy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, mommy. I miss you. We love you. Me, Josh, Sean, and Mimi. We always love you, Mom. Stay safe. Wish you all good health. Wish you all the best. Stay safe. I know you always be strong. I know you're strong. Don't get boyfriend. I love you, Mommy. Say hi to everybody. We love you. Love you. Okay, but
Happy birthday to you. Hi, Mom. Happy birthday.
Wow.
Say happy birthday, Mamila.
Happy birthday, Mamila.
Going to school. She's going to school. Happy birthday. Be safe. More blessings, Mommy. More blessings. Good health. Stay happy. Enjoy life while you can. Don't eat too much pork. Don't eat too much pork. What else? What do you want to say? Happy birthday.
We love you.
Oh, she said we love you and we cannot wait to see her here. Yeah. Say something. Come on. Be safe.
Wish you now.
Happy birthday.
Have fun.
Happy birthday. Have fun. It's so early in the morning. Going to school soon. But anyways, thank you so much for the invite. Oh, you know, this video. Unsay handa? Wala. Naa. Kaulaw. Hi everybody. Welcome to Langga's vlog.
Ate Bear. Enjoy your day, Mommy. Be happy. We love you. I miss you. Bye. Bye.
Yes, so we hope mami lang na-enjoy ka o tanaw sa videos nga akong giniwok, and yes, thank you kayo sa tanan nga akong gidukol na wala dyan tibalibad nga muhimong video maski law-law. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for making mommy so happy sa iyong special day. And yes, I hope may nga nalingaw ka kung tanaw sa mga videos. Kaya wala dyan ko ilaing mahatag ni mo kung dili akong effort kay I can't buy you any expensive gifts kaya wala ko yung Dutch local partner. And muto siya, thank you kayo. Thank you so much sa tanan. Especially sa support sa Langga Vlogs. Thank you kayo. And yes, enjoy the rest of your day. Have fun. I love you. No matter what, nara ko perme. Ciao! Bye-bye na lang. Pastil lang.
A few minutes later.
So, mga langga, nanako special nga visitors. So, yes, Siquijor Viners.
Nangaon ako ni.
Ari na po sila mukhaon.
Ano na yung tao? Nangalaong biniling mga tawhana di ay.
Hoy, lami kay itapad ni Tilio, kay maputi kung samot.
Wow! Talabad.
Yes, so mga unsa sila. So mga langga mo to siya ang nahitabong birthday party ni Granny Bear last November 25 na super nalingaw kaayo. Yes, super nag-enjoy bisag kaulan. And then before this vlog will end is na may mga shoutout. So first shoutout to Gabriel Mendoza watching from Qatar. Hi, thank you so much for watching. God bless and please stay safe.
And shout out to Yummy Amor.
Hi, Ate Ian. And lastly, shout out to Koy Koy TV. Nga per mi nag-watch sa itong mga vlog. Thank you so much sa unending support. And also sa mga bago pa lang diri sa atong channel, welcome to Team Langga! And sa mga wala pa nakasubscribe, please to subscribe and also tap the notification bell so that you will be notified if we have a new uploaded video. And by the way, nakoy favor mga langga. Road to 4,000 subs na ta. So please support us. Sa mga wala pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe. And yes, I hope nga ma 4,000 ta this Christmas. Yes. Biso pinaskuhan na lang ko na. And binirthdayan, charot. Bitaw, thank you kaayo sa support ninyo mga langga. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Yes. And moto siya. That's it for our vlog. And we hope that you enjoy because we're just spreading
Good vibes and love to everyone.
yes. See you again to our next vlog mga langga. God bless and please be safe everyone. Ciao!